Hey Pandas, I'm Mr. Elkins, your principal.
And I'm Mrs. Gardner, your assistant principal.
We hope you had a wonderful summer and you're excited to come back to what we know will be an awesome school year. We have a few things to tell you so that you're well prepared for this upcoming school year, and we're going to do that by going around the building. So come with us. Let's go. Pandas, we're going to talk about arrival and dismissal and transportation. So our arrival each day is from 7:50 to 8:20. This is when buses will come in, and if you're a car rider, you will come through our car rider line in this parking lot. Our dismissal is 2:50 to 3:15 each afternoon. Now, I do want to tell you, this is what the first week of school will look like if you're a car rider. Seriously. So, please be very patient. We want to make sure everybody gets in the right car and everybody gets home safely. We also have bus information for you. Your teachers have that, but if you have any questions, please stop by our media center and see Mrs. Landreth or Miss Gardner. They'll be happy to help you with any of your bus questions. And also, just like the car riders, please be patient with the buses the first week of school. They'll probably be running just a tad bit behind, and they're learning their routes as well for this school year. So thank you for your patience. If you would like to walk your child in during the first week of school to their classroom, you're going to do exactly what you just saw there. You're going to park in the parking lot on the opposite side of the car riders, and you're going to walk your child in. You'll sign in as a visitor, and then you may walk them to class. So there will be plenty of people to direct you on where to go, but please know we ask that you only walk your child in during the first week of school, except for kindergartners. We always allow our kindergartners to walk in throughout the school year, but if you're first through fifth grade, I promise you that your kiddo will know how to get to where they need to after the first week of school. But if you would like to walk them in, definitely just follow those procedures. Thank you.
Hi families, welcome to our cafeteria. So the past couple years, all student meals were free, but this year we're going back to applying for a free or reduced meal. So when you come to open house, in your child's packet, you'll have the free and reduced meal, and it's only one form per family. You can also find the form online.
Hey Pandas, I want to take just a few seconds and talk about attendance. If you happen to get an attendance letter that looks like this, I promise it is okay. We're going to work with you through it. Most of the time when you get one of these unexcused attendance letters, we just need some doctor's notes or some explanation as to why your child missed school. We just want to make sure that they're here with us when they can be. So if you ever need any help with this, please ask your teacher, or if you do happen to get one of these letters, just let us know and we'll be happy to work with you through it. These letters are generated from the state. They're a form letter. Yes, they do have our names on it and our identification on there, but they come to us from the state. So please just know that we're here to work with you through it. And if your child is ever absent, please just send in a note letting us know why. Thank you. Hey guys, we're out at the playground and we're out here so I can say a big thank you to PTA and all of our families. I want to let you see where some of your Boosterthon money has been going to. You can see we have awesome brand new blacktops. We're even getting basketball courts painted on here as well. And so these are going to be some fun new additions to our playground. Miss Gardner is actually in another part of our playground. Let's go see where she's at and see something else that's new.
Hey Pandas, this is our fun new musical playground. Thank you so much, PTA.
All right, Pandas, thank you for going on that tour with us all around the school. And as always, if you have any questions about anything, please don't ever hesitate to find us, reach out, ask your teacher, or just shoot us a quick email. We do have a few quick miscellaneous items that we want to go over before we end your time with us.
So Winston-Salem Forsyth County Schools is rolling out a new student code of conduct. and we will be working with that all year. And so just go to our website and check out a short video narrated by me. And if you have any questions, please just let us know.
If you have any questions about your bus transportation, how to volunteer, or anything else that you can think of, please make sure to stop by our media center before you leave open house, and we'll gladly be able to assist you. We also have one special thing that we want to tell everybody, and that is go check out our specialist classrooms before you leave. Art, music, PE, the media center, our science special, and so many more, so that way you can see all the fun activities that you may get to participate in this school year. Each one of those rooms tonight has a special activity for you. There's also free ice cream for you as well here at Open House, so make sure you check that out before you leave too. Don't forget that we love you so much. We are so excited for this school year. Thank you to all of our parents for your commitment to your child's education, and we hope you have a wonderful school year. Bye guys.
Bye, pandas.